Welcome guys to the Miami Bro channel. Today's video will be a how to do video. I will be showing you how to do a bowline knot. It's considered one of the most useful knots in the world.
Hello guys, this is how to tie the most useful knot in the world. It's called the bowline knot. It is to make a fixed loop in the end of a line, typically used for fishing, for gardening, for attaching anything you want to the loop, and it's a fixed loop where it's going to be very difficult and close to impossible that it will ever get loose. It might seem a bit complicated, but I'm going to try my best to show you how to do this. So you grab the end of the rope with this hand and the other end with this hand. Now this is important. You're going to create a loop. The loop goes over this way. This end has to lay on top of this side here. Don't do it this way because it'll be underneath. It has to lay down on top. Once you create that loop, you put this end of the rope in through the bottom. Notice that I cannot do it through the top because if I do it through the top, you pull and it gets loose. So once again, do the loop, make sure it goes laying down on top. Grab the end of the rope, go through the bottom. Now this end right here is the loop that you're going to have. So if you want to slide in at any moment, anything through here, whether it be a hook or anything you want, now will be the time to do it. So let's continue with this explanation. You will go through the bottom. Now go through the back of this side of the rope and you pass it in through the loop once again. The result is something that looks kind of like a bow tie, which is the reason why it's called a bowline knot. If you can see right here, both ends going through the side, that's when you know you've done this correctly. Now, the most important thing about this knot is that, like I said, the more you pull, the tighter the knot gets. It will never budge. It stays fixed right where it's at. Now, typical knots usually are very difficult to break apart if you need to break them apart, if you messed up or whatever. The nice thing about this knot is that as long as you see the way it is done, that it looks like this, it could also be taken apart very easily. And that is how you take it apart. That is the bowline knot.